Hey, you got a tissue on your head.
What?
Yeah. You've got a tissue on your head.
Cool.
I'm serious.
No, I don't. I think I would know if I had a tissue on my head.
I'm telling you now. You have a tissue on your head. I don't know how else to say it. Just like sitting there on
So
your
take
top
it
of my
off.
Well, now it's in your hand.
No, it's not.
You obviously know it's on your head.
What are you
just took
talking
it.
about?
The tissue on your head.
I don't have a tissue on my head. I think you're crazy.
I'm not the crazy one here.
You take it off.
Okay. You took it away from me before I could grab it.
So then where is it now?
It's in your hand.
I don't. It's
And now it's on your head.
What are you talking
It's
about?
on your head, man.
No, it's
and
not.
now it's in your hand. Bro. Stop. Stop.
What?
Caroline.
I would love to stop if I knew what the hell you were talking about. Honestly, you're freaking me out a little bit.
You're freaking me out.
You're freaking me out.
Yeah.
I don't have anything on my head.
What is this?
It is a tissue.
What is this?
It is a head.
What is this?
An idiot.
Caroline!
Take the tissues and show them to me.
Okay. Don't move anything, and I'm gonna take them
Okay.
off of your head.
I would love to see it.
Don't move.
I'm not moving.
I'm gonna smash you over the head.
Smash me over the head.
You are hard to communicate with.